We are all set. We are on the Tower Freak. 324, 1324. Memory items. Flow. Warning lights off, gauges green, 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 and synced. Plenty of fuel.
RV261 Victor.
Radios are set, circuit breakers are set.
RV1 Victor Alpha, runway 23, clear for the option.
Altimeter set.
Option 23, RV261 Victor Alpha.
Fuel selector valve good. On memory items. Friction off.
Tower RV112 Victor Alpha is 10 miles west, inbound for landing with Foxtrot.
Hydraulics working.
Tower, report 5 miles west for right downwind runway 23.
5 mile west, right downwind runway 23, thank you, RV1.
Hydraulics not working. Hydraulics working. Running up. Clutch light's not on. Clutch light's on. Governor's taking over. Warning horn check. Pulling up slightly.
Midfield downwind, like another short approach, please.
Rolling off.
Cessna 019, will you be able to accommodate a short approach with following the RV on a close end left base turn to final?
Secondary hydraulic test.
019, roger.
1 inch back, 2 inches forward.
Traffic runway 23, clear for the option.
Hydraulics are fine.
Clear for the option.
Final sweep. Warning lights off. All gauges are on. Fuel selector both. Or magnetos both. Plenty of fuel. Green, green, green synced. Radio set. Altimeters. Radio set. Transponder set. Everything's set. Alright. We're going to ask for the grass. Taking off.
After Tower Super Cub 1798 Alpha, ready to go, runway 23.
Super Cub 17.
Clear left.
Project Tower, hold short, runway 23.
Clear right.
Holding short.
Clear above. Nice and slow. We have 50 pounds on the left. And then we're going to slide left after pickup.
Tower Bear 414 Yankee, left midfield downwind, base traffic inside.
Tower 14 Yankee, number 2, following that Cessna traffic.
All.
Room for 1 departure prior to your runway 23, clear for the option.
All.
Number 223, 1 departure, clear for the option, 14 Yankee.
All. All movement. All movement. All movement, wait. All movement, wait. All movement, wait. All movement, wait. 18 inches, small movement. Starting to get light. There we are. We're in balance, small movement. Small movement. Balance, small movement. Balance. Nose coming up, and we're off.
November 98 Alpha, runway 23, clear for takeoff. Westbound departure is approved. Proceeding traffic is a Cessna and left closed traffic. I have additional RV traffic inbound from the west. Use caution.
Super Cub 98 Alpha, roger. Clear for takeoff. We'll be looking for him.
Frederick Tower, helicopter 910 Papa Sierra.
York, any traffic, pull out of
RV2 Victor Alpha, use caution. I have Super Cub departing. Runway 23 will be westbound.
Roger, 2 Victor Alpha, we're now 5 miles west.
Runway 2 Victor Alpha, report right midfield downwind.
Right midfield downwind, thank you, 2 Victor Alpha.
Helicopter 910 Papa Sierra, Frederick Tower.
910 Papa Sierra has Foxtrot at advanced. Taxi grass, please.
Tower 0 Papa Sierra, taxi to the grass via Charlie.
Taxi grass via Charlie, 910 Papa Sierra.
6 Carol.
Alright, let's turn right, presumably into the wind.
Frederick Tower, RV112 Victor Alpha is coming up from midfield, right downwind runway 23.
And we're set up
November 2
for box drills.
Number 2 following the Cessna and extended left downwind, just getting ready to pass the Shiny Farm, report traffic in sight.
Checking that was for 112 Victor Alpha.
2 Victor.
Starting with left turns.
Thank you. We'll report traffic in sight, 112 Victor Alpha.
November 612 Kilo Alpha, fly heading 290, runway 23, clear for takeoff.
Heading 290, clear for takeoff, runway 236.
All movements.
And RV 112 Victor Alpha has the traffic turning onto base in sight.
November 2 Kilo, disregard November 2 Victor Alpha, number 2 runway 2.
We have a right cross going to a tail.
23, thank you, 112 Victor Alpha.
There's a tailwind.
Frederick Tower 5195 Yankee, holding short 23, ready to go.
Cessna 5195 Yankee, Frederick Tower, hold short, runway 23.
Short 23, 5195 Yankee.
Now we have a left cross. Winds are light.
The Tower 44 Yankee, left midfield, down to 23. County 5 Pop.
Alright, we have some time to kill, so let's do
coming up over the golf course for
2 laps.
Traffic
Oh no, let's switch now. So,
Looking for traffic,
back up a little bit. Slide left. There we are. Now we'll make right turns.
One for Yankee traffic sight.
014 Yankee, allow room for 1 departure between you and that RV traffic. Runway 23, clear for the option number 2.
Left cross.
1 departure, 23, number 2, clear for the option, 1 for Yankee.
RV 261 Victor Alpha, beam the numbers 23, I have 14 Yankee in sight.
RV 1 Victor Alpha, you'll be number 3 following the Estabria, runway 23, clear for the option.
Clear for the option 23, number 3, RV 261 Victor Alpha.
Tower 2 Kilo Alpha, request switch departure.
Tower 2 Kilo Alpha, contact Potomac departure, have a good one.
For departure, we'll see you later. 2 Kilo Alpha.
There we are. Now we're going to slide right first because that's left turns. After we face into the wind. Alright, next box drill. Back up a little bit. And slide right.
November 2 Victor Alpha, right on Alpha 2.
Alpha 2 to the NAC, thanks very much, 112 Victor Alpha.
Just checking on my gauges, make sure I'm green, green, green synced. Plenty of fuel.
November 2 Victor Alpha, Alpha 2,
Left
Alpha
turn.
to the NAC, monitor ground, have a good one.
Alpha 2, Alpha Golf to the NAC, monitor ground, thanks, 112 Victor Alpha.
I got a right cross. All movements. My mic volume or sensitivity may be way up.
Request short approach again.
Number 019, unable short approach, you're number 3 following the RV on about a mile final, report traffic in sight.
Okay, looking for the RV, 1019.
Here we have a tailwind. Light.
Has the RV in sight.
All inputs.
Number 2 now, runway 23, clear for the option.
See a full stop this time, 019.
Roger, clear to land.
All right. We'll do another lap of left turns. No, we haven't slid to the left yet. Let's slide to the left. This foot pressure, all pressures. Right pedal turn. Left cross. Right pedal turn. Storm in here.
Cessna 95 Yankee, runway 23, clear for takeoff, westbound departure is approved.
95 Yankee, clear for takeoff, westbound approved.
Cessna 019, taxi Park Bay Alpha Charlie, monitor ground, have a good one.
To the east, going to come in on the 45, 16 Carroll.
Cessna 93 Lima's number 1.
Cessna 6093 Lima, Frederick Tower, Old Short, runway 23.
Holding short.
So Tower 14 Yankee, left midfield down to 23.
All right, let's turn and face our takeoff. Warning, lights off, gauge is green, green, green. Plenty of fuel. Carpet needs a bump.
One departure, 14 Yankee.
All right, got another aircraft. We can take off before. Warning, lights off, gauge is green, green, green. Plenty of fuel. Carpet out of the yellow on the go.
Trail traffic, track turning phase, runway 24, Carroll.
All right, hold 60. Trim. Start my turn.
Carroll County traffic, Hot 796 on the downwind, Carroll County.
Hold 60. Power's good. Coming up at 800.
Winchester, Scott.
Lowering the power.
2 miles out of runway 14. Did a straight out departure. Last call headed southbound.
900. We're at altitude. Lowering the power. Starting my turn. Clear right.
Carroll traffic, 2 Delta Foxtrot is final, runway 24, Carroll.
Go on 320. Lowering the power.
Tower 593, Yankee, clear the active taxi back, 23.
All right.
Cessna 3 Yankee, runway 23, taxi via Alpha Charlie Bravo Alpha, cross runway 30 at Alpha.
Speeding up to 70.
Charlie Bravo, Alpha, cross 30 and Alpha, 593, Yankee.
There's 70.
Tower 53010, reporting left midfield downwind 23.
Cessna 010, runway 23, clear for the option.
Clear for the option 23, 53010.
Frederick Tower, 910 Papa Sierra, downwind, right close traffic, option grass.
910 Papa Sierra, option of grass, beach and use caution.
Option of grass approved, 910 Papa Sierra. Alright, too slow.
County traffic.
800. Let's try a normal approach this time. Although my steep worked out okay. Warning lights off, gauge is green, 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 plenty of fuel, carpet on. Airspeed's low. Pushing forward, adding a little power. Coming up on 600.
Frederick Tower, Skyhawk 937 Sierra Alpha, holding short of 23 on Alpha, ready for departure.
Cessna 937 Sierra Alpha, Frederick Tower, hold short runway 23.
So, hold short 23, 7 Sierra Alpha.
We'll just be on the runway for a second.
Another steep. Adding power, adding power, adding power. I have a left cross. That's why it's a little dancey. Alright. There we are. Warning lights off. Gauge is green, green, green. Plenty of fuel. Repeat out of the yellow.
Cessna 937 Sierra Alpha, runway 23, clear for takeoff. Make left
on the go.
Traffic, report left midfield downwind. Proceeding traffic of the Cessna, making left close traffic.
Traffic, Diamond 2 Delta Sierra.
Frederick Tower, helicopter 910 Papa Sierra, right downwind. We'd like to go to advance this time.
Helicopter 0 Papa Sierra, landing in advance will be a true and risk, use caution.
Landing in advance approved, 910 Papa Sierra. Warning lights off, gauge is green, 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 plenty of fuel, carpet on. I'll slow down this time.
2 Delta Sierra, short final, 3-4, full stop, Carol.
I'll lose some altitude. Alright, we're going to make a right pedal turn. No, we're not going to do that. We're going to make a left 270. We'll make a left 270. Feet over the golf course. We did the warning lights off, gauge is green, 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 go carpet into the yellow, we did that. Come down here, this way, we're 60 knots, 600, we can continue a normal approach.
Super Cub 98 Alpha, we're 4 miles to the west.
Door 98 Alpha, report right midfield downwind, and just use caution to have Cessna traffic just departed a couple minutes ago, headed westbound.
Okay, 98 Alpha, we're looking for him.
Knots, 300 feet per minute. Shoot for that. To transition to a hover. Pushing forward.
Cessna 14 Tango, roger, thank you.
There's our sock.
98 Alpha, that previous called Cessna traffic has you in sight, says no factor.
98 Alpha, roger, we found two, thank you.
Let's transition to a hover.
1,500 feet.
Here.
November 98 Alpha, just remain at or above 1,500 while in the right downwind.
Okay, will do. At or above 1,500. Come 98 Alpha.
All right, we're going to go out over the grass and make a left to 270 and land.
Cessna 70 Alpha, runway or ramp.
Ramp, please, 70 Alpha.
Cessna 70 Alpha, just give way to the helicopter going towards advance, and you can taxi to Park the Alpha Charlie and monitor ground. Have a good one.
Give way to the helicopter, Alpha Charlie to the ramp. Have a good one, 70 Alpha.
All right, we're going to slide over here. And we're going to execute a left to 270 over the grass. Nice and slow.
Pressure tower 53010, left 50 downwind 23.
Cessna 010, runway 23, cleared for the option.
Cleared for the option.
There we are.
53010.
And now we have a right crosswind. There we are. Find our spot. Check. And descending. 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 Moving forward. Moving forward. Moving forward. Forward. Moving forward. Moving forward. Touchdown.
November 98 Alpha, you will be number 2 following Cessna, getting
Throttle timer, lights, friction checklist.
traffic in sight, and also attitude restriction.